Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I received some of the products which I wanted to show you all. I recorded an unboxing video of the products, but my phone stopped recording midway, which I noticed later. So I thought, why not I make an haul video instead. So that would be more compact and I would show you the products and without much time taking. So without any further blabbering, let's start with the video. So first I have this 4 products from Hawk Makeup. So this one is a rose palette from LA Colors, and this one is a smoky eyeshadow from LA Colors itself, and these two are MAC Revolution lipsticks. So they were running at a combo discount offer. This one was at rupees 375, this one at rupees 162, and this one at a combo discount offer that these two was of rupees 500, means 250 each. I will put up the links in the description box below. Okay, so then I have this jojoba oil from Good Vibes. Recently I was suffering from very rough and dry skin, so I thought of mixing this with my foundation. This was at rupees 179. And then I have this facial compact from Faces Canada. This has a goodness of SPF 20, vitamin E and shea butter. I heard a very good reviews about this product, so I got this at rupees 159. Then I have this nail polish from Bonjour Paris, and this one is the shade which I'm wearing currently. So I love the shade. This is very cute and I got this at rupees 130. Then I have this Miniso's nail polish remover, which is acetone free, enriched with vitamin E, and this costed me for rupees 80. Then I have this surface disinfectant spray from Bare Body, and this costed me for rupees 199. Next up I have this spot patch. So this is very useful for me, but not for me but for my pimple, because it pops out my pimple the next morning, and even if I wear this while doing my makeup, it avoids my makeup to spill over my pimple area. So this one is for rupees 289. Okay, so then I have a collection of these brushes. The bristles of these brushes are very soft. This one is a kabuki brush. This is of rupees 160, and the contour brush is of rupees 179. And then I have a collection of these 3 which were at a combo, and these were very affordable and also of good quality. They were of rupees 90 altogether, but one disadvantage that I felt that the delivery charge of these 3 were same as the product itself. Then I have these 3 empty cute little bottles. They were falling each time I was grabbing a product. So these are very travel friendly and these are very useful also. You can store your sanitizer, mitts and whatever that you want to carry. And these were at rupees 190 altogether. Then I have this Green Berries Green Tea and Tea Tree Skin Toner. I've used it twice after buying this, so I would say that it has got a very good refreshing smell and it doesn't irritate my skin. This one at rupees 469. Then I got this 2 box of accessories. This one contains a neck piece and the other one contains a set of 3 bangles. So they were at rupees 199 each. Okay, so next up I have this white fur cloth. I had my eyes on this since quite a few months. So this one was at rupees 659. Next I have this ladies handbag, which is very cute, handy, affordable, spacious enough to carry the things that I usually carry in a bag. So I also wanted to make a video about what I actually carry in a bag. So if you're interested watching the video, please comment down below. Then I have this Fit Me foundation in shade 128. I really hope this now matches my skin tone, because I'm really very bad at buying foundation matching my skin tone. So this one was at rupees 299. Hopping on to the next product, I have a watch from Swiss Stone. This is quite affordable and it also has a warranty of 1 year from the day of buying. This watch is worth rupees 479. Then I have a battery blender. This one is very useful for me to make cappuccino, whipped cream, cakes, dalgona coffee, and this one was worth rupees 310. Next up I have this blotting papers which are very useful for me, like when you are sweating and you have your makeup on and you don't want to touch your face, you can use these blotting papers. These are very travel friendly and quite affordable at rate of rupees 129 of 50 pieces. Then I have this Miss Claire's eyelash glue of rupees 295. Then I got this from Flipkart, which was running at a discount, which were quite affordable enough. I think they were of 307 of 12 lip liners from Swiss Beauty. I haven't used them before. So if you want a detailed review of the swatches of these liners, please comment down below into the comment section. Okay, so last but not the least, I have a box from Incafin which contains body scrub, a body polishing oil, a wooden scoop, a wooden massager. So I would like to first use the product and then give you the reviews in detail. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please click on like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch makeup related videos, skincare related videos, please do not forget me to follow me on Instagram.